Hey guys, so I'm an actual idiot. I was going through the clips on my camera from July 3rd and I deleted the whole beginning clip for this vlog. We're just gonna pretend that as I'm filming this, it is July 3rd and I am starting the vlog. So, hey guys, it is July 3rd, 9:30 at night. So, it's pretty bright outside. I wanted to start my 4th of July vlog early because my friends and I are gonna go to the Purge premiere tonight. So that'll be really fun. I'm really excited about the movie. I hope it's gonna be good. It was good. It was really good, actually. I didn't do very much today, so that's why I'm like starting it super late at night. And then tomorrow's of course the 4th of July, which I'm so excited about. It's one of my favorite holidays. I'm gonna go on the boat with Addison and Delaney and their whole family, and then we're gonna see fireworks, all that super American stuff. Look how pretty. Familiar faces. I picked up Berlini. My head kind of itches. Hey, Patty. Yeah, nice scrubs. Oh. Okay, wow, don't hug me.
They said it was the First Purge or something. They're not.
Yeah, it is.
Do you know the name of the movie? It's called The First Purge. Oh, I didn't know.
So,
I can't wait for it here.
Delaney and I bought our tickets for this movie literally a week ago when like nobody bought them. We got them so far in advance. Delaney's excited to see this movie, whatever it is. Hello? Hello. Oh, that's it. I thought it was really good. That one's my favorite one, for sure. I liked it a lot. Hey guys, I just got home a few minutes ago. It's 2 AM, so I'm gonna go to sleep. My niece is sleeping in my bed, so I'm trying to be quiet. I'm gonna go downstairs and sleep. I will see y'all in the morning. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy 4th, even though it's like way past the 4th by the time y'all watch this. I'm about to leave in a few minutes. I'm just finished getting ready. So I thought I would show y'all kind of what I'm wearing today. This is my one-piece bathing suit. It's also like red on the bottom. It's really cute. I bought it at Target last week. These shorts are from American Eagle. And then I'm wearing my Birkenstock knockoffs from Forever 21. So that's my outfit. It's really weird like not wearing jewelry when I go on the boat because otherwise like I'll lose it. I end up taking this off too, but hey Ems. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey guys. Your hair.
It's so bad, but I'm not gonna do it because it's just gonna get all jacked later anyway.
Yeah. I was just yelling at Addison because he's not wearing his red swimsuit. This swimsuit makes me look like I'm from France, not United States, but it's okay. Close enough. We're on our way to the boat place right now, but Addison had to stop and get gas, so. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
Happy 4th of July.
We're going out now. It's really hot. My swimsuit's like really cute though.
Very. Extremely.
They're shooting off fireworks over there tonight. We're gonna come back out on the boat later tonight to watch them. And I'll vlog them so y'all can see like the 1 millionth clip of fireworks going off. No, literally like every freaking person in America puts videos of fireworks shooting off on their Snapchat stories. Alright, I'm gonna join them on the tube. They're all hanging out in the water. I had to take some food. I almost fell over. But if it's meant to be, it'll be. Poison pain and joy inside my DNA. I'm trying to get her to like take pictures of me or something, but she's being really lame. Unloading the boat and about to go back to their house. Ew, every time I like do my eyebrows and then go in the water, it like messes up and it makes me look really weird. It's really loud out here. Literally everybody is out on their boat right now. Alright, well it's not gonna focus, but Addison and I are watching Grey's Anatomy.
What else should we be doing?
Of course, like every single day. We're eating dinner. Sorry vegans who are watching.
This brisket is very moist and tender.
Yeah. These are literally the best cookies ever. We're in the car again, going to the boat. I have gum in my mouth. One of the screws fell out.
We're not gonna be able to go fast. Alright.
This sky's really pretty right now. I've never been out on the boat at sunset, so this will be really cool.
Stop, Addison! Stop! You're tripping.
She's gonna watch Netflix.
Cherry pop.
Actually,
on the boat.
And you would understand if you were watching MacGyver because he's so hot.
What are you doing? Are you zooming up?
Good. And then
Is it working? No.
like,
But now it's working.
Oh, is it still working?
Mm-hmm. What?
Anybody else want to die?
We're all waiting for the fireworks. This is literally an accident waiting to happen.
Yesterday today, this truck, and there was like a refrigerator box in the garage.
I got him doing the Chinese smile. It's crazy, man.
Oh my god, stop! Okay, they started. It looks so pretty against the lake right there. These ones are so pretty. He's not messing around.
Oh! Wow!
Okay. I'm really tired. I just got back to their house. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.